Make a rubber band-powered car using simple materials that are easy to find at home. This DIY manual car is a creative and educational project that works without electricity, batteries, or motors.